Hain.
How we listen to music has changed since we were founded 150 years ago. At Jabra, we've innovated some pretty cool things along the way. We were one of the first to make our headphones truly wireless, which you guys loved. And so did the experts. Removing every last wire for ultimate freedom, to always give you the very best true wireless calls and music experience. But even then, we still weren't satisfied. We knew there was still something we could improve, which brought us to comfort. We wondered, what makes a good fit? How could we make our earbuds feel like they've been designed for just your ears? The process began, as always, with research. Lots and lots of research. We scanned thousands upon thousands of ears, processed the data, and engineered the most comfortable, true wireless earbuds we've ever made. Earbuds so comfortable, you'd want to wear them all day, every day, 24/7. Introducing the new Jabra Elite 75T. Great calls, great music, and a fit like no other.
I think I'm gonna rent a money car. I love Lucy, I'm Ricky.
Hey, I'm on my way.
The next stop is 15th Street.